Now, in this video, I will explain about tabular data. But before I start it, I will introduce myself. My name is Grace Putrinami Borugultong, and I go to Polytechnic Negeri Batam, and I take a major of managerial accounting, and now I'm in 5th semester. Okay, I think that's enough about my introduction. Okay, I will continue the explanation about tabular data. Tabular data is group of data or facts which are arranged in rows and columns. This data setting normally contains of numbers. Table can help you with complex set of data or facts. And what is the functional about tabular data? Tabular data makes representation of data easy and makes it easier to analyze the data. It also helps us to make data comprehension easier. Why? It's because the data is represented in a readable manner, which saves place and the reader's time. Okay, how to describe tabular data? There are 5 items to describe tabular data. The first, introduce what the information in the table are about. 2. Look at the high data or low data or data significant number. 3. Don't taking client time, it's confusion. That's why we should present data only by one. 4. Make the structure simple. And the last 5. Give the conclusion at the end. Now guys, you can see the example about tabular data in this slide. In the above example, the data has been divided to significant group. This makes it easier to understand and describe it. You can also look for exception in the data, which is where something interesting happened or is something that stands out for you. This helps you get start describe the data and the information you can see. This table comprises the UK in 55 years project growth of the number of people or the age or 75 with that of the total population. It is estimated that in the 20 years from 2015, the total population of the UK will grow by almost 10 million. From 84.8 million in 2015 to 73.2 millions in 2035. The number of over 75 will also increase significantly from 5.4 millions in 2015 to 4.9 millions in 2035, which is increase of nearly 4%. The estimate figures for 2015 and 2017 indicate that this trend will continue, and the total population will be as high as 42 millions by 2017. Although the number of people aged 75 or older will remain relatively stable between 20 and 35 or 4.9 millions and 20 and 15 in 9 millions. The numbers will continue to swell, and by 2017, 15% of the population, 11 until 12 million, will be age 75 or older. Overall, we can expect the number of people aged over 75 to double by 70 and 20 and 70. Now, in this first exercise about tabular data, you can see The candidates for Master of Ceremony Competition 20 and 21 at Polytechnic Negeri Batam. There are 5 major participants on the matter. They are accounting, managerial accounting, business administration, international logistics, and secretary. With the high participants are belong to business administration and the law are accounting. Other than that, there are secretary with 21 candidates and international logistics with 23 candidates. And the next exercise about tabular data. Look at the table from the previous slide. It provides information about business management competition 20 and 21 at Polytechnic Negeri Batam candidates. There are 5 variants of competition that held by the major, which are typing speech, leading a meeting, presentation, business plan, web design, and master ceremony, with the total of the 6 class participants. In the typing speech category, AB1A donates the high number of participants, with a total of 20 candidates and the number footer. If we take a look at AK1A with only 5 participants, and the others are AB1B with 10, and AM1A with 10 candidates and AM1B with 9 candidates. In leading a meeting, the highest number belongs to AB1B with 15, followed by AB1E, AM1B, and AK1B 12, while AK1A 10 and AM1E 9 candidates in praising business. The highest are AM1B and AK1A with 15 candidates and followed by AK1B 12 and AKB 8 candidates and AB1A 7 candidates. When decide, the height is AM1B with 17 candidates and followed by AB1A, AB1B, and AM1A with the same numbers, 12. And the AB1B in 11 candidates and AK1B 12 candidates. And the height in matter of ceremony in AB1A is 17 candidates, followed by AB1B and AK in AK1A with 14%. AM1B 13% and AK1B 12% and AM1A 9%. In total, the high participants in coming from AB1E with 88 participants and the loss is AM1A with only 49 candidates participant. Okay, I think that's enough about my explanation about tabular data. I'm sorry if I have a mistake, and see you in the next my video. Bye bye.